What's up, family? I'm back, man. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. And I just took a little hiatus, man. I lost a little love for the YouTube situation, man. But that don't mean I ain't stopped copping. But if one thing's gonna get me back, it's a Kobe mystery, man. Last week, I believe these dropped, right? The Kobe draft class. So basically, they dropped, Kobe was drafted 13th by the Hornets. So I believe they dropped 13 different tees, 13 different sneakers to show all the people who passed up on Kobe. And of course, the exclusive one is the Laker colorway. And we hoping this is the Laker colorway. If it ain't, I'm not gonna be too mad because it's Kobe. With the tee, I really don't care because, come on, man, I cop Kobe tees like Pokemon, man. I don't care about the tee, but I'm really hoping he's the yellow and purple. Speaking of tees, this one dropped with the collection, but this one we knew what it was. You either get the black one or you get the white one. I went for the black one, of course, but either one I would have been okay with, man. And I love how Nike is coming up with all these classic Kobe tees. The puppet tee with the 5 rings dropped last week also. I'm waiting for that to come in. I think it's supposed to come in today. I got that off Nike. But man, this Nike tee right here feels heavy. Kith material, man. And of course, this is the iconic picture after he made the trade. Charlotte made the trade with the Lakers to acquire Kobe. This is the iconic picture there. But man, the material on this, A1, man. On the back, it says 1996 draft. And it got like the draft board with the player name who's been drafted, man. This is not your regular Nike tee, man. The material, I'm stressing, is thick, man. You got the MAMBA mentality, right? MAMBA mentality and the collar there, man. Material's A1, man. Got another MAMBA head at the bottom. This material's excellent, man. And the screen press is even like luxurious and rich, man. So shout out to Nike with this tee. Another Kobe tee I copped recently was the MAMBA joint, 24 on the back. And I really don't like to go outside the colors when it comes to Kobe, but like the blue, and I like to keep it yellow and purple, man. This Nike embroidery stitch right here is A1 too, man. But the only reason I had the cop is because I got these Dodger joints just sitting there, man. I do own a couple Dodger jerseys, but I wanted to keep it like Kobe, so definitely I'll be able to put this on. And just checking in with you guys. Like I said, I haven't been copping, man. Right here's the Virgil Alaska joints, man. I brought these as like I don't know, like a art collection. I didn't buy them to rock, but I've been copping, man. But I might unbox them in the next video and show these to y'all. Now let's get to what we all been waiting for, the Kobe mystery pack. So we're going to start with the shirt first. Again, guys, with the shirt, I really don't care which one I get, man. I'm be happy either way. I was told that you could put a little flashlight through this. I don't think so, man. This is like gold. It ain't see-through, it's gold. And it comes with the Nike sticker there. I guess it's just saying your size, because I tried to cheat and look up the code and just mystery pack comes in. They even put like a piece of tape at the top right here. So dog, there's no way to just, this is straight mystery, man. So let's rip it open like a pack of oodles and noodles salt there. And let's see what we get, man. Okay. I know I said I didn't care which one I got, but being a Laker fan and seeing this Boston green, it kind of hurts, man. Especially after the Jaylen Brown situation, man. But yeah, man, looks like I got the Boston green. As you can tell, Boston was one of the 13 teams who passed on Kobe that year. Yikes, man. I didn't think I would get that, man. Alright, man. It's still cool, man. I like the money green, and I'm sure I got something in here to rock with it. Maybe those, man. What y'all think? Yeah, man, but let's get it. This material is A1 too, guys, just like the Kobe Draft Day tee. So, of course, you got your Mamba logo, but let's get that out the way for now. It says Kobe, man. Black, green. Got the stitching at the bottom. Let me read the stitching, y'all. Oh, yeah, the same one that was on the back of the other shirt. Dope, 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 man. It's dry fit material, guys. Look at the dry fit there. Nothing's on the back but that Nike embroidery I just showed you on the Dodger joint, which is sick, man. That's dope. Yeah, man, Mamba mentality in the inside also. So yeah, for the shirt we got the green joint, which we don't even own. We don't even have green Kobe's. I mean, maybe the what the Kobe's, another pair of Kobe's I still ain't get on, man. It's crazy, man. Or just maybe the Venice. Alright guys, let's get to the sneakers now. This is the moment we all been waiting for. Even me, man. I wonder if being that I copped them together, will I get the Boston Celtics sneakers being that I got the Boston Celtics shirt? I really would be bummed about that, man. But let's see what we get, man. If you're new to the channel, you probably don't remember when I did the X-Men Wolverine A6 mystery pack. And I actually won the Wolverine one, the most rarest one. And it's open, guys. I'm going to close my eyes and let y'all see first what's going on. Is it yay or nay, guys? Yay! So that was real dope for me, man. But let's see what we get here, man. It comes in your regular Kobe box that we've been getting for the last 2 years. Dope Mamba skin. Very, very dope, man. It reads Kobe Protro multicolor. So you don't know what you're going to get. Let's do it, man. Here's the gold box, guys. Well, the gold, right? Y'all know what I'm saying. All right, they said if you put it in the flashlight, you can see it. Again, not true. On the back, though, you do have all the draft colorways you can get here. And the one we're looking for is, I almost said Golden State. The one we're looking for is Los Angeles, man. That's the one. So, you got an 8% chance of Philly, a 7.25 chance of Toronto, another 7.25 for Memphis, 7.25 Milwaukee, 8% Minnesota, 6.3 Boston, Los Angeles Clippers 6.3, the New Jersey Nets at the time 8%, Dallas 8%, Indiana 8%, Golden State 7.25, Cleveland 8, Charlotte 6.3, and Los Angeles is at a low of 4%. It says 1 of 14 possible shoes, with 13 being wearaways. Right? So let's check it out, man. Drum roll. I know I'm be disappointed. Here we go. And I do have an all white pair here, guys. Let's just see who it is. We have the white and blue. And I am signaling maybe the Clippers. Gotta be the Clippers, right? Got the red on the tongue. And the answer is... well, the Clippers are all red. I don't know what this white and blue is, guys. Let me see. No, because if we looking on here, we can't really compare it to here. Okay, judging from this one, it has to be the New Jersey Nets. And the reason is because if you look at the picture, every sneaker's all white, except for the yellow and purple ones. That's the prize. So I guess here with the gray and the red, the gray for the jersey and the red for the Clippers and the purple for Milwaukee, that's just the colors of the NBA team at that time. This definitely has to be the New Jersey Nets. Has to be, man. or maybe the Clippers. You do get the red Kobe Mamba logo. The back, the number 13. Of course, Kobe was the 13th pick to the Charlotte Hornets, but you know he got traded to the Lakers. Never put on a uniform for the Charlotte Hornets. Kobe Bryant's signature there in the silver. That's what was making me think it was Nets. And of course, the 24s in the silver too. That's why I wasn't thinking Clippers, guys. But hey, man, I mean, the shirt kind of bummed out the Boston. I knew I was gonna get an all-white pair, so that part didn't matter. Let's take the other sneak out. Other sneakers here, guys. And again, the people saying you could use a flashlight, I don't know how. It's not a possibility, man. Maybe a UV one if I'm being nice, but I don't know how, man. So it does come with extra shoelaces. You get like the platinum silver joints. Yeah, this has to be the Nets, guys, because it was the Clippers. I think it would have had a red, probably a red shoelace. You get the 8 in the inside of this one, and the Mamba logo inside of this one, man. So let me know, did y'all cop? And let me know in the comment section below which one y'all got. For the fun of it, I might cop again just to see how close I can get to that yellow and purple pair, man. But let me check resale value on that yellow and purple pair. Maybe I could just buy it upright, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. I'm back, man. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.